Oga Director General of World Health Organization, Tedros Ghebreyesus, don't come out now. He change his squeeze face for the kind of amount of money they are spending all over the world on the military. Say, the world priority is still not their line. As a million people, they continue to face hunger and they spend money for military. Ghebreyesus, inside a post for X, said the amount of money where they spend on the world for military, it reached $2.7 trillion in 1 year. And said that one now, it no match at all with what they calculate for United Nations on the amount where they needed to end hunger inside the world. He said, according by what United Nations calculates, they need about $93 billion every year to take pursue hunger come out from the whole world by year 2030. Now, so the Oga of WHO now can say, if you say the compare, it shows say the world they spend almost 30 times more on military activities than making sure say everybody gets enough food to chop.